Welcome to the CryptoNet. So Ethereum, let me take the brush now. So we did a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're blasting here with the third wave. And yeah, this is 1 hour, so it's kind of a little bit micro counting. And let me take out here now. So very possible now that this third wave could be completed now. And we're doing this fourth wave, and I would have done a B, and now it's the C. Now the question is the C wave finished or still ongoing? Well, I would say, didn't want to do that. Seriously, I did click on it. Anyway, so bigger screen, zoom in. So now you can see that I did the Fibonacci extension here, the blue extension. So I took the wave 1, up to the end of the wave 2. You can see that for the third wave, we just blast through the 1.618 and we stop bend down at the 2.618. So that's another indication to tell you or to show you that Fibonacci extension, really work with crypto. Okay, so now what else do we have? So here we having, like I said, there's a B, and now it's a C. So now, are we going to break out? Yesterday, I really thought we were going to break out. I did tell you guys, I did got some Ethereum 2 days ago. And I was grateful. And when I saw that we were making a higher high, I was okay, that's another amazing trade that's working out. And then boom, it didn't, it reversed. I'm still into the trade. Anyway, this one, it was more a DCA for my old days. I know crypto time passed so fast. Old days, this is like in 1 year, 1.5 years. And yeah, so we're back to this trend line that is acting as a support and is doing that as well. Now, worst case scenario, we lose this trend here as a support, and it wouldn't be that awful, because if we go down, we're going to have this, that's the ideal retracement for a fourth wave, the 0.382 at 1,732 and 59 dollar give and take. Sometimes it depends also on the exchange. It could go even $50 difference, right? It really depends on the exchange you're using. So this one, it's Coinbase. And yeah, so what would be the next target? So we can ask the help of Fibonacci extension so that I can add the 3.618 and the 4.618, since here it's crypto and it's crazy. Now go back on the 4 hours, so I have more data here. So let me see here, do we have any confluence here? Well, you can see here we did add quite of resistance at this level, and coincide with the 3.618. So I would say 1966, or let's say $2,000 to round it up. Also, we had these two resistance here at 2025, and our bigger wave here at 2141. So these are the levels that I'm checking for a moment as bigger movement, and that would be just allegedly in 5 waves. It could go much higher. You know how if you did follow Render or Solana, it can keep extending, right? So it doesn't have to be reasonable. Actually, we don't want them to be reasonable. Go crazy, blast yourself, have fun. So yeah, and after that, well, for sure we're going to have a pullback. So this is like the time, eventually soon is going to be the time to take a little bit profits, wait for the pullback, and after that getting again. And in my case, I'm going to get in more seriously, because even though I did get some entry at lower levels, but now it starts really to be let's say, more real, like the bull trend, right? And also we're having this uptrend line here. Actually, I'm going to put it in green because blue doesn't make sense. Green, there you go. So if we are going to have a pullback, well, for sure we don't want to break this trend as well. But anyway, that's all for in the future. So now, as I said, everything is looking good. Let me take some indicators now. So 4 hours we could reverse. As you can see, we just start to print a lighter candle in momentum. So maybe we're getting back some momentum. On the 4 hours, the RSI, it's rested. It could continue go higher. So let me check the 8 hours just for fun. So yeah, they all good to go now. But we could go a little bit lower and just have a longer view on the daily. So you can see that we are oversold. We're kind of losing a little bit of momentum, which is fine because we need to do this wave 4, right? Hopefully I'm not moving too much, but you can see that now we're taking a little bit a chill. But yeah, so either we go a little bit lower, we give a chance to relax this RSI, this on the daily. That's going to take time, right? So we could go a little bit lower and then blast again with no problem, or we could just reverse now and go higher on the RSI and make that fifth micro counting, and after wait for a pullback. So both options are valid. If it goes lower, as I said, I'm going to get a little bit more. And yeah, if we get, well, there is invalidation point, so I just want to end with that. So if we go below the 0.5 fib retracement, 1696, then I start to be maybe a little bit worried. And honestly, I wanted to go and check on the daily. I think there was some indicator that I want to check. Let me see here. Yeah, so we are at the MA 200 once again. Is acting as a support right now. So that could be another reason why price is holding there, right? So need to, it's often, I think I just said it on the other video, but when we are not sure, just let's change the time frame and see, are there any indicators that could help the price to keep that level, okay? All right, so this is pretty much all for Ethereum for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.